So I don't know if I told you, but I took a pledge when Edie was about this age, like like a baby,
6 months,
about 6 months.
I think that was 3 months then. Yeah.
I'm not going to buy any more clothes.
Yeah.
I'm going to make all my clothes.
Yeah.
Or wear clothes that you give me.
Yeah. Yeah. No, buy new clothing anymore. Yeah.
So thanks for these new shoes that you got for me from Peru.
Yes.
They're super cute.
Yeah.
But here I see you too seem to have taken that pledge. Did you?
Well,
most of your clothes?
I did it because I like to sew. I always liked to sew. Even when I was in school, I started doing my own clothing. As a teenager, I did all my clothing for parties, but back there, you could not buy made clothes. Only the rich people could do it. Yeah, it was very expensive. So we used to buy the fabric and send it to the seamstress. And the seamstress, they were such liars. You needed a dress for a party for Saturday. Let's say for 2 weeks from today. And you say, oh, it will be ready. No worry, And you went there the first time to try it.
Yeah.
She haven't even touched the fabric. Carajo! Oh no, don't you worry, it will be ready. Don't you worry. So
lies.
Lie. So anyway, I started sewing when you were born. You were about 3 months old, like that.
I was adorable.
You were beautiful.
Yeah.
You were beautiful. Yeah. I started sewing for you. Little dresses for babies, very easy, because you don't have to feed it or nothing.
They're like little squares.
Yeah, little square and just got it.
Yeah.
They don't have to feed it. Yeah. But when I wanted to start sewing for me, I could not sew because it didn't fit me properly. Yeah. Yeah, you had to. I did. Let's say that I made a top. I used to have a lot of problems with my top. It were very nice when I kept my hand down.
Yeah.
But if I wanted to cut my hair, the whole thing just went right open.
Yeah.
So I could not do anything for me that it was comfortable.
Yeah.
So that's when I decided to go and take classes. In the evenings.
And they had no backwoods Mama Spring sew camps back then,
Nothing there. You had to learn it all by yourself. You had to love it.
Yeah.
Do it.
Yeah.
Do it with love. And the one that you love it, even if you are tired, when you start sewing, you
relax. Thank you so much. Yeah. This has been a lovely cup of tea.
Yes, I hope that you just keep on,
Oh, I think
I will.
On
it, yeah. It is very relaxing, and especially you have children, you have to sew for them. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And thank you for joining us.
Good sewing luck.
Good luck with everything.
Yeah.
Let's look at each other, give each other googly eyes.